If you're disciplined and your life still feels messy, then this video is for you. You try to stay productive, you work hard, and you try to build your habits, but somehow your mind still feels cluttered, your routine keeps collapsing, and life still feels out of control. In this video, I want to explain why discipline alone is not enough and what actually is missing. Let's first understand. Discipline only solves just one problem. Don't get me wrong, discipline is useful. It helps you to start, show up, and execute. But discipline only solves can I make myself do this? It does not solve problems like being overwhelmed, chaos, burnout, lack of direction, and emotional exhaustion. Now let's understand why does discipline still feels messy. A lot of disciplined people are still living a good life because they are able to execute and achieve the things that they want. But their lives have no boundaries, no recovery, no intentional planning, and no emotional reset. So even though they are productive, they are achieving the things that they want, their life still feels a bit unstable. Now let's understand what is actually missing. You need system that reduces decision making, not constant self-control, but reduce the amount of time you spend in deciding what you're going to do. You need to create things like weekly planning, routines, reset systems, and intentional evenings. Now, the second thing is recovery. If your life only contains effort, eventually everything will start to feel heavy. Recovery is not an optional thing, it is a mandatory thing in order to improve and go at your goals. And without recovery, discipline turns into burnout. Routine becomes pressure and habits collapse. I do clearly remember it while I was in college and I was studying constantly. I used to go one after another, keep on studying, and at the end of my exam sessions, I used to hit a burnout phase where I'm not able to do anything, not even have proper kind of fun. From there on, I understood building up a reset and recovery system is very important. The next thing is alignment. Sometimes life feels messy because you are just doing things, but not the things that actually matters to you. So even the most productive days feel a bit empty. And what does alignment means? Alignment means your habits, routines, and time actually reflect the life that you want for yourself. Now, to bring it all together, discipline is indeed important, but a stable life comes from structure, recovery, and alignment. And you can use discipline to build all three and not just forcing yourself to try harder every day. Now, if you want a simple system that helps you build routines, weekly resets, and habits, you can check the link in the description below. It's completely free to use. A messy life is not always a decision problem. Sometimes it's a system based problem, and all you gotta do is build systems that help you move forward. And in case you're wondering why your evenings disappear and why you do not have time for yourself, you might want to check out this video. That's on why your evenings disappear and how to fix it. And I'll see you real soon.